Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys a few taskbar customization you can do on your Windows 11. So first and foremost, you can download these two apps. One of them is Rounded TB and another is Translucent TB. As you can see, my taskbar is very much short. So what Translucent TB does, it will either make your as acrylic, that's what I set that as, but if you want you can put it as clear, and yeah, after a restart of it, this should appear clear. So we're just gonna go back to acrylic again because that's how I like to keep it. Acrylic, yeah. And the other one is Rounded TB. So what Rounded TB does is basically it rounds up your taskbar. So let's just head over to settings and look at some other options. You can download both of these software from the Microsoft Store. There's really no installation, just download it from the Microsoft Store and run it, and set it up however you want. So let's go to personalization. Over here, if you go to taskbar, from here you can do multiple customization. For example, you can put your widgets app or remove it. You can put your chat, search, all that. I have most of mine hidden. You can change your taskbar behavior, show badges, show flashing on taskbar, center, left. It's however you want to customize it. And yeah, that's about it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.